Looking at the circuit board, we can see that the components are attached using solder. Examining the characteristics, it looks like the board utilizes wave soldering for attaching the components. Wave soldering is a cheaper and simpler way compared to reflow soldering. The board utilizes pure through-hole components, meaning that all of the components go into one side of the circuit board and the solder is applied to the other side. This is a perfect application for wave soldering, as the board just needs to be passed through the solder wave once in order to attach the components. As seen, there is only solder on one half of the circuit board. However, this could be made using reflow soldering, as reflow can be used for through-hole components. However, wave soldering is the preferred method for this.
For the clipper blade, it shows signs of being stamped using compound dies since the thickness of the blades are the same. It also has smooth surface on both sides of the blade that indicates it was stamped. The blades have two holes that show they were stamped and given a countersink. I imagine that the blades are toothless once they are stamped. The teeth are then machined and given a cutting geometry. Another method that this process can be done is by forging. By choosing the method of forging, it can be more convenient since the pounding and hammering can help rearrange the molecules of the blade, making it harder and stronger. Forged blades can keep its edges for much longer time than stamped.
The spring in this shaving razor appears to have gone through two processes. The simple geometry and the type of material used shows signs of extrusion. Extrusion also has high production rates with low cost. After being extruded, the spring was machined to shape because of the complex helical turns and 90-degree bends. An alternative process for this spring could be rolling because it works great with aluminum and also has high production rates. However, extrusion is the preferred method because its equipment cost is lower.
An automated mold shapes and melts the heavy-duty plastic into the casing part of the clippers. The white switch was also made with casting due to the lack of pin markings on the part. The other side of the frame and the other plastic pieces all use injection molding, which is supported by the pin markings present on the parts. A benefit of using injection molding is the fact that complex shapes can be made with good dimensional accuracy. It also allows for support of high production part volumes.